Modern diesel engines utilize an EGR system to reduce emissions. The EGR system forces exhaust gases back into the cylinder for a second combustion cycle, reducing pollutants like NOx. Up to 20% of exhaust gases are sent into the EGR system, passing through tubing to the EGR cooler, which reduces the temperature while leaving deposits of particulate matter. Once cooled, gases pass through a series of tubes to the EGR valve, leaving particulate matter throughout. Particulate matter also collects on the EGR valve, the intake manifold, intake runners, grid heaters, and intake valves. Then the intake valves open, allowing exhaust gases, particulate matter, and fresh air to enter the cylinder. Particulate matter coats the cylinder walls and pistons and mixes with oil, causing premature wear, less efficient combustion, and ever-decreasing engine efficiency. The particulate matter in the oil acts as an abrasive, increasing wear on the crank, rods, and bearings. The FASS EGR system is a revolutionary upgrade that drastically reduces the harmful effects of the EGR process. With the FASS EGR system in place, 85% of particulate matter is eliminated from exhaust gases before they reach your EGR cooler. By filtering out the vast majority of particulate matter, the FASS EGR system prevents soot buildup in your EGR system, cylinders, oil, and critical engine components. The FASS EGR system also protects your engine from premature wear, decreased efficiency, and expensive, unnecessary repairs, which can extend the life of the EGR components by about 6 times. Engine oil is no longer heavily contaminated, drastically improving reliability, efficiency, and performance. The FASS EGR system is an innovative solution for optimizing your diesel truck without removing or disabling any emissions equipment.